Hello and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you some more hair extensions that I bought. As you can see from the title, it's a more colorful one this time, and I just want to show you the color, how it looks like in the sun and as well as in natural lighting. So let's go into the video. So here I bought some color 8 99J. I bought that previously, but I really like the color, so I bought some more. I bought violet, which is the toned down version of a purple. I bought blue, red, orange, the color 613, and some more of the 27 and 30. I also bought some color 4, 1 and 1B. So as you can see, this is the colors in the sun, and they look extremely vibrant. They look really luscious actually, and I must say I'm looking forward to using this in my blending stuff that I'm going to be doing later on. So at the moment I'm going to show you how the colors look like in the sun individually, and this is color orange. As you can see in the sun, it's extremely bright, and this is the color red. I love how bright it looks like, and I'm basically looking forward to using this in the different blends that I'm going to be doing. And this is the color blue. As you can see from the shots before, in normal indoor color, in indoor lighting, it wasn't showing, it wasn't popping, and even the purple as well, you couldn't see much of it. But when you come outside in the sun, you can actually see a lot of the color, as well as the color 613. You can see how shiny it is. And the color 27, I bought some more of that. I bought some more of color 30 as well. And I bought some color 8 and color 4, but I will do a different video showing the more toned down colors of color 8, 12, 1, 4 and all that in a different video. This one I just wanted to show you how these bright colors looks like, just in case you are thinking of going to purchase any of these and you want to know how it looks like. Then this is how they actually look like, both in natural lighting and in the sun. And if you're looking to also mix as well, I think that looking at these colors will help you to decide on what quantity should you buy, and which colors should you buy, the quantity and the mixture that you would like to achieve, or the blend that you would like to achieve. So I hope that this video has been helpful to some of you or most of you. I'm going to stop talking now so you can enjoy watching, looking at how the colors looks like. If you do have any questions, do let me know, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I do have a video of an ombre that's a DIY ombre that I did, so I'm going to be putting that up very soon for you to see how that turned out. So as I said, I'm gonna leave you to enjoy the final how many seconds of this video, and until next time, it is goodbye. Make sure you like, share and subscribe. All right.